Okay, welcome back. We're going to be talking today about life cycle assessment. This is a procedure that a company will go through to make sure that the product that they're designing and making is as carbon efficient as possible or as sustainable as possible. The first one in the process is extraction and processing. This is where we take those raw materials out of the ground and we process it into its stock form material. So in the case of oil, for example, we'll take that out of the ground, we'll refine it, we'll turn it into plastic pellets. The second part of the process is manufacturing and production. This is where we turn the stock material into component parts. We will then turn those component parts into the product. The next part of the process is distribution. And this is where those finished products are distributed across the country to different shops and warehouses to be sold to the general public. Then we go along and buy those products and we use them. All the time, up until that point, carbon dioxide was being put up into the atmosphere. So we've got to think very carefully about reducing that amount when we're designing and making products. Of course, when we finish using it, that's not the end of the product. We've still got the end of its life to think about. So what are we going to do with it? Are we going to recycle it? Are we going to bury it? Are we going to try and reuse it and turn it into something else? Either way, we could possibly go back to the manufacturing and production part, thus completing your life cycle assessment, the LCA.